Hi, my name is Isan Han. I'm a music producer and singer who is passionate about pop music. Over the past 2 years at HKDI, I've been working hard to master vocal control and artist expression. My experience goes beyond the classroom. I had the honor of working with professional artists like J-Dub, Candy One, and Ivy Show on live recording and harmony arrangement. This experience taught me how to deliver professional quality under real industry standard. Currently, I'm working on my own album project, Lonely Boy, which allowed me to explore both songwriting and production. I'm really excited to apply for the popular performance and songwriting program at Baptist University. I believe this is the perfect place for me to organize my industry experience, grow my creativity, and become a professional musician who can turn personal emotion into great music. Thank you for your time. Thank you.